Oh, can we do a super lame turnaround and be like,
yeah, we can.
Hey, welcome to the episode. No, just no arms, just turn around and be like, yeah, hold the glass.
I feel
hold
like
the glass.
we need a quick pic of us being backwards.
Oh, there's a lot of us.
Okay, perfect. What's that supposed to mean? And triggered. Happy New Year! Welcome to the cocktail episode. We have to fuck you. Okay. For me, let's just fucking make it really simple. We're making this very complicated. Okay, ready? Okay, what? Clap.
I think we should like try to name the shot though. I think
Okay, well let's come up with a fun name. So I like the idea. So my first pet is Chelsea.
You had a cat named Chelsea.
I did. It was put down without me knowing for 8 years, but that's another story.
Did you think it went to a farm? Was it a classic farm?
Actually,
Classic farm?
so my mom, we moved to BC, and she's like, yeah, he's gonna. I'm so stupid as a child. I was like, yeah, we're gonna.
As a child,
yeah.
Okay, yeah, sure.
We're gonna move to BC. We can't bring the cat. So I found this nice family who sails. So we're gonna give the cat to them. So it'll be in the water. I'm sure they'll love it. I was like, okay, yeah. And then 6 years later, I get my first bee sting, and I'm like, oh God. He's like, I'm so sorry, boy. Also, Chelsea was put down. So we got Chelsea's fun because in her sweet memory.
Okay, so we're naming the shot. So
Chelsea, sweet little.
Ivan, what is
Go ahead.
the first?
Go on.
Where was the first time you got a blowjob? Place. Not like a city or like whatever.
Yeah.
Like
Well,
where were you?
It was
when
a
you got your first
bedroom at a
blowjob?
friend's house.
So Chelsea's bedroom. There we go.
Chelsea's bedroom.
All right,
Yeah. All right.
nice,
So we're gonna
all
make
right.
3 Chelsea's bedrooms.
Was at your house last week?
Do you wanna do the mixerinos on these guys?
Yeah.
So let's do a gin base because
Okay.
Chelsea loves
Jigger.
gin. Jigger.
Jigger. Whoa. Don't mispronounce that word.
Jigger's a weird one.
Jigger is a weird one.
Jigger and pony. Okay, cool. So let's do one. So we're gonna
Two
do
gin.
2 gin.
Oh.
That's good luck
That
for
was
6
kinda
years.
cool.
Your
Only
cat won't
6?
die on you.
Damn it.
Okay, so we're gonna do one part Campari, 1 part gin. All right, nice.
Cranberry.
Steady. Nice. Oh, that's great.
Okay. Backwards, but all right.
It is backwards. Nice. So we can do a couple shakes.
So I'm actually not going to shake this too much because I don't want the liquid from the ice to be in here too much.
Totally.
Yeah, totally, yeah.
No, you
That was your idea.
Yeah. Oh, you went to bartender.
I thought you were the bartender.
Oh, so you pour it in the glass with the strainer. Oh my God. Okay, so the Chelsea's bedroom.
Chelsea's bedroom. I can't believe you got your first blowjob in my bedroom. I think that's pretty lame. Mine was in a car.
Whoa.
Cheers.
Sorry, man.
It was your mom's car. Not your mom, just your mom's car.
Nice save. That's not great, but you know what?
Yeah.
That's actually
That's not bad. I don't know.
Really? I thought
I enjoyed that actually.
That was pretty
There's
good.
too much Campari. We need more gin, less Campari. So we'll do
cool.
3 gin, half Campari, half cran. I like that.
Are you gonna do a shot for us? My guy. All right, what do you need, buddy? Let me set you up.
So we're doing banana gin.
Wait a minute.
That's it. Yeah, no, that's good.
What, do you want to do bananas without ice? And then
No, we're
muddle
gonna
that?
muddle it all
Why are you
together. So we're
muddling
throwing
with
the
ice?
ice in.
Okay.
We'll put in the ice because the banana.
This is crazy,
The
Tom.
ice is gonna help crush the bananas up.
All right.
So we're taking we have a muddler.
I took some banana out of there. Do you need to put some more in there?
No, we're good.
Hey, you want me? I'll put some more banana in you if you'd like. Which 1 banana. So per banana,
Can I just eat a banana though? Like,
you're doing 3 ounces.
Our measurements are so fucked we can't do math, and then we're doing per bananas. So if it could just be per banana, if you could just add enough
As
steak
long
sauce
as,
per
as
banana.
long as it's not a plantain, we're fucking
Just
we're good.
add about 3 bananas
Okay,
worth
good.
of soy sauce.
I bet you can't eat that entire thing at once.
Ooh, I bet you can't get the whole thing in your throat.
I bet you I'm gonna try.
Yeah, I bet you.
I also bet you're gonna try.
Okay, what do you got? I
Swallow that entire thing. Swallow it.
if you get it to, okay, here, look.
If you can put that entire thing in your mouth,
That's like the perfect scale,
Wait,
too.
That's actually pretty- that's pretty accurate.
wait. My guess is that you put it this side, you get to there. Where's your guess? Wait, Max,
This
you do
is
good.
the mouth entrance?
This is the mouth end. This
Dude,
is the
this
head.
kid's got a huge mouth. Like, this is...
That's your guess?
It's there or more.
You have so much faith in your
No.
friend.
I'm not allowed to like
Okay.
bend or break. I have to like put it as far
You're
down
like,
my throat.
yeah. Before
Whoever-
you choke.
whoever loses-
Wait,
Oh yeah, hold on.
yeah, when
I have my line too. I know what I'm like. Oh, I'm gonna barely,
No, you're not allowed to
barely
bet.
get in there. No,
Don't be
I'm
a
gonna
pussy,
freak
dude.
out. I'm gonna freak
You
out.
know
early.
your abilities. At least own it.
I know for a fact
This is
you
your
can swallow
skill.
that.
It'd be a lot
Don't
easier.
make-
It'd be a lot easier if I knew it had kind of balls and I could.
No.
Turn it downward. You need the angle.
You know, because
downward.
through experience, I just.
Turn it downward. Make it the shape of your throat.
Yeah,
Now,
exactly. There you go.
Max, if you lose,
No, there you go.
If you,
Dude, you're
No,
gonna
swallow this
fucking-
end. Swallow this. This end goes in.
No,
your
I
mouth.
know. I'm stop touching my fucking banana. Max is gonna lose, so when he loses, I'm not getting.
no,
fucking-
you're doing a shot of straight gin if you lose.
Yeah,
if
that's
I lose-
fair, man.
I love gin.
Then what is he not like?
Yeah, what do I not like? Give me something I
Oh,
don't
we'll
like.
do. I'll make you a shot.
I'm
Right
gonna
after.
make
I'll
you a
shot.
shot.
I'm not taking a shot.
How about we do a spicy
Vermouth.
Campari?
Then you're doing a shot of
I'll
vermouth.
make you a
Thank
shot.
you.
I'm gonna
Thank
make
you
you a
for
shot.
making it apparent.
I'll make a disgusting shot for whoever loses, including myself.
Make sure it has vermouth in it, because he definitely
Okay,
doesn't
what
like
if?
vermouth.
And then what if you're wrong? What
Then
if
you
he
make
swallows
this
more than I think?
we all win. We know that Ivan has
Then we
experience.
all have to take a shot.
Okay, now Ivan deep throat the banana. I'm tired of waiting. Let him focus.
I've never.
Let him focus.
I'm gonna
I
chomp.
think-
I'm
I
gonna
bet-
chomp down.
I honestly, I think
Let
you
him
could
do
probably
it.
swallow
Let
that
him
entire thing.
Holy shit ass!
That's me. I won. Pick it up, dude. Pick it up. Chuck it in the garbage.
Yes. And you threw
I
up a
won.
little
That's
bit.
you. 25 push-ups. Let's go.
25 push-ups.
I didn't
Yeah,
quite
that's it.
make it.
Yeah, but that was
25
past what I
25
thought.
push-ups?
Holy
Yeah, that was the thing.
fuck, man. That I don't want to
Right, let
eat
the camera
that.
record.
25 push-ups?
Yeah.
Can I do it here?
No,
That's
like,
what you're gonna make him do?
Dude, that's so weak, bro.
What
I
the
could
fuck?
do, like,
He
shots,
enjoys
bro.
that shit.
Shots. It's shots, man. It's shots.
It's shots.
Okay, so I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna grab you 3 spices. You can choose 2 plus 2 alcohols. You
Yo,
can
low key, I threw up my
Oh,
mouth.
Lotto
for
649.
sure, man.
I like that.
Lotto 649.
That was definitely throw up a spat in the.
Do you remember,
you
remember
are.
649? Remember playing 649? You know, like the Lotto,
Lotto?
649.
I
Okay,
remember
so
playing 69.
you
I don't
take-
think you were there.
You sit at a bar, and you crumple a piece of paper, and you throw it at a bottle. Like, you know how bars have all the bottles in the background? So you throw it at a bottle, whatever it hits, it goes 6 to the left,
Yeah.
and then 9 to the right, and then they create a shot out of those 2 liquors, and that's the shot you have to take.
So, okay, so what I've given you today, and like, dude, I was sure that you had, I thought you were just gonna sit there, and he fucking got the whole thing. Like, enough to gag and throw up on a dish,
I've
and I
had
respect
it.
the
Yeah.
shit out of that.
Why are you opening another one?
Dude, I never got to eat it. It was fucking disgusting.
It was
I threw
so
up
far
on
down
it.
my
I
throat, I
threw
got
up
sick.
on it. It was gross.
Okay, cool. So we have onion powder, paprika, and seasoned salt. You can choose 2 spices and 2 liquors.
And the bananas?
And I
No,
can
he
just
doesn't
shake
get
No, you
shit
don't-
for banana.
Dump
Oh,
it out.
were those in my mouth though?
Honestly, I actually want to make the banana shot for us, so I'm gonna make you.
Oh my god, I
So
forgot about the banana
shake,
shot.
I'll shake the shitty shot and you make the
No,
banana shot.
I'm
This is all
shaking.
about a
I'm
banana
doing
shot.
everything here.
Alright, he's doing everything. He's doing everything.
Hold on, this is your
I
shot?
can't believe, like, that was so
That's good,
direct, dude. That was so aggressive. It was just like, I want that.
Dude, but I threw
Get
it
it
up.
all
though.
in me right now before I throw
We
up.
didn't like say anything like, cause I literally threw it up.
I
Like,
just thought you
couldn't
would take
fucking
your
drink.
time and tease it a little bit and get to know it. But you're just like, oh, this is me? Oh, this is me now. And then you shoved it to
I
that,
fucking go
and
hard,
then-
bro.
And then you crawled away. I was like, this is dark.
You want gin or vodka?
Honestly,
Ah,
man,
too late,
I don't,
Jen.
I
Dude,
don't
it's your
even think
choice, do
Max
your choice.
won, dude, because like we didn't talk about my gag reflex at
Dude, I
all.
didn't even know what the rules were.
It was
Like, is this a game we play every week now where let's just see what Ivan can throw down his throat if we do more time? Because I'm down.
Is that the game?
Oh, it's a game now. It's every episode. Let's see what Ivan can shove down his throat.
Oh yeah, cool, great, yeah, get it everywhere.
Yeah, it's
Thanks,
okay. We
man.
don't live here, right?
Yeah, not my house.
I fucking hate you.
I
These
know.
banana shots? Did you muddle it?
Shake my banana,
God,
bro.
you're such a piece of shit.
I know.
Dip your face down. Come
Wait.
here.
Lick his face.
Just let me clean your face a little bit. There you go. You're okay.
Get out of
You're
here.
fine. That was nice for both of us. See?
This is for you, by the way.
Is this it? What is? Holy shit ass.
Fucking not my house. I cannot wait for you to have me over next.
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
Please don't.
it's not my house.
Please
It's
do not
my
fuck
house.
my wedding up.
Holy fuck, man. That's supposed to. That's
Honestly, like,
spicy.
am I
dude.
invited?
Dude, this is spicy.
Oh no, we talked about it.
No, there's no spice in there.
So break down the ingredients for me. Let me know what
is that?
what we're getting.
I'll break it
with the
down
gas.
after. I'll break it down
No,
after.
bring it really.
No, I don't know what's in there. What's in
Yeah,
there?
exactly. Bring it down like a really nice recipe, please.
Okay, so
That's
we
what you
got
have to
about
drink?
a
Yeah.
teaspoon of paprika, we got a teaspoon of onion powder, a little teaspoon of garlic powder, and then we got whatever the shit this is.
Seasoning
it
salt.
literally says seasoning salt. So that's very broad. And then gin.
I
Also.
can look into it and I can see the darkness of hell.
It's like it looks like glitter floating in the top of the drink. Honestly,
It does.
It looks fucking cute. It looks cool, man. Like I'm jealous.
I'd do it.
Okay, cheers.
Oh no, hold on. He didn't get half the seasoning in there. There's still so much. Lick the rim.
If you're gonna puke in here.
No.
You're gonna puke. Do it where the men
I
do
got-
it.
I
Do
got
it-
a Rosemetropolitan.
Do it 2 feet away.
I got a
right there.
Rosemetropolitan.
Holy fuck.
First of all, before we do our last shot,
And honestly, boys,
Cheers.
I'm sorry. I didn't think I could get it that far. You remember
I was impressed.
Remember what my vote was? Like,
I
it was
was
like the
aroused
first thing to
and
it.
I was
I was like, whoa. I was like,
I can do a
I was
lot with
surprised.
this.
this
now.
is a little surprising.
Do you ever think about a second drop? Maybe? You know, make a side hustle?
I know the size of a banana. That's like very familiar to me. So like I know how far I can shove it down someone's
Think about having a huge, massive wang is. Okay, cool. So we're doing the last shot.
We're on the last shot.
Saying,
All
like,
right.
I could
Rinse
use
this.
some extra cash.
Yeah, I bet you could use some extra cash. Okay, so we're gonna take. We got
All that
ice.
shit went in there.
We got a banana.
That tastes fuck. That was fucking horrible, dude.
You handled it.
It tastes
pretty
like
well. You
when
handled
you,
it.
did.
it tastes
You
like
did a
when you
good
go down on someone who's went for a run, ate Puerto Rican food, and pissed it out, and then rubbed the shit all over their vagina. That's what it tastes like. And you can't use that. So, cheers.
That just sounds like sex to me.
Sounds like the last time I fucked a Puerto Rican.
Long-legged piss.
Why is it so spicy?
God, I don't. What are you eating?
You fucking round hey jalapenos, you're right. Oh my god!
Is this good for you? Because the jalapenos are burning my eyes. I'm just.
Why
is this
did
good?
everything at dinner have jalapenos? I'm burning everywhere.
What are you eating? This is so spicy. No, I like spice, but your vagina's too spicy.
Why'd you finger my asshole?
There's spice
First
on
of
my
all,
body.
you love that.
I'm so sorry.
Oh man,
All right.
I could
Mom,
barely figure
my
finger up
mom's
there.
gonna watch this, and let me just
We
say,
need
I'm
to
sorry.
rinse this.
I
Rinse
did.
that out.
Rinse it out.
No,
I'll
like
do
really
better
rinse it
at it. Give it a little spit shine.
Okay, so
Make sure Max
Okay,
has that one.
I've done this one before.
Max, how much yours?
So this is bananas and gin. That's all it is. Bananas and gin and ice. You muddle it together. So bananas are sweet. Gin has the
Filled with
botanicals.
potassium.
It's basically
right.
health. Would you like a shot of health?
I'm not wrong.
Do my jaw keeps locking.
I know.
How open can you make your mouth?
God damn it, I fell for it!
It's not long enough, bitch.
Apparently not very long.
All over your face.
It's on the paprika.
Okay.
Okay, let's pay attention to this.
All jokes aside,
All jokes
we're
aside.
muddling bananas
actually
with gin.
suck.
So bananas are sweeter, and then we have the tang and the botanicals and the other flavors from the gin. So all gins are different. So we're using a no-name brand gin. That's our thing. So
Okay.
we muddle together with ice, like literally smash the shit out of the bananas. We're gonna filter it out, so we just get the liquid.
Did you find
Smash
MDMA?
the shit of the bananas.
Okay, here we
Huh?
go. Well, let me see this drink. Let me see this drink.
I mean,
Oh, you actually have a little bit of a actual banana color to it. I'm actually super surprised.
Yep.
Don't
And
know
the,
if
you know
it's
what's
gonna
the
last.
weirdest part of this drink is it actually has the consistency of semen.
Oh, I love that. Remember when I was young and I always thought like no one knew what it tasted like? We all know what it tastes like.
Because
We
with
all-
some pineapples, eh?
Yeah. We could have used pineapples.
super sour and makes you want to throw up.
And the-
Cheers.
yeah.
All right, cheers. These are-
I'm not gonna clean your house up, by the way. This is you get to clean this all up by yourself.
Holy shit, yeah. That's so good. That's so good.
Right?
Nice. Okay.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
All right, amazing. So, oh my God, you guys. It's New Year's Eve. We're running out of
is.
time. Okay, ready?
We got like 11 minutes.
10.
No! That's not how minutes
hold
work.
on,
That's
hold
not
on.
how
We
minutes
tried
work.
11 minutes.
That's not how minutes work.
Okay, I think we're.
We have 11 minutes. We have 11 minutes.
No, we don't have 11 minutes.
Or-
we're here. We're now. Look at the clock. We have 10 seconds left. We have 10 seconds left. Ready?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Well, we all gotta kiss someone. Threesome?
Dibs the camera guy. He's kind of cute.
Oh God, fuck yeah.
Oh, fuck me in the mouth.
You guys are
Fuck me so hard. It smells so good. All right.